Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM. A centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. With the innovation of digital evidence management systems in the market, the investigative workflow has become easy to maintain while optimizing searchability and accessibility of data within law enforcement agencies. VIDIZMO eases the workflow by offering law enforcement agencies the ability to submit digital evidence only within a case and organizing these cases within various departmental sections and maintain access rights of every case. In this video, we will be taking a look at managing a case in VIDIZMO DEM. Before you start, please make sure you log into your portal as an administrator, manager, or moderator to manage a case. From the homepage of your portal, click on My Cases folder and your cases will be shown on the right side of the window. You can bulk select your cases by clicking on the icon on the top right of the case thumbnail and use options like Settings, Unpublish, and Delete. Settings option allows you to edit the settings of the folders. Unpublish option will unpublish your published cases and save them as drafts. Delete options deletes all selected cases and move them to the recycle bin. You can click on any case folder and see all the documents, evidence and files related to that case. To view all the details of a case like author, type, folder, updated date, description, tags, click on Info icon on the top right corner. You can bulk select evidence and use options like Inspect, Remove, Add to Case, Settings, Unpublish, Delete and Copy. Inspect option inspects the case for further investigation. Remove option removes the selected files from the case folder. If you want to add files to another case, click on Add to Case option and add the selected files to another case. You can edit or update the settings for the selected files from Settings option. Unpublish option will unpublish your published files from your portal. Delete option will delete the selected files and move them to the recycle bin. Copy option allows you to copy files to another portal. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.